Dari, I'm attempting to start a video, but there's been a few interactions with the princess here. Princess, no, 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 no. Right, you go that way. Right, we are totally in the clear now. The princess has moved, and we're back to the fact that this drive came out of an iMac. I rescued two iMacs recently, and the general process was to take out the hard drive and replace it with a SATA SSD, and that's of course possible because in the olden days, although Apple were quite zealously protective of you trying to do upgrades onto their machines, they were still just about possible. It's not true today. Anyway, back to this drive. This is an escaped 500 gigabyte SATA drive. The only interesting thing I would say about the drive is that these pins here are used on the iMac with a connector, and it uses that to help determine the fan speed of the cooling fan for the drive area. Anyway, I've got it happens to be an iFixit toolkit. I've got a screwdriver prepared. We're going to do a bit of disassembly, and we're going to put all the special screws into here, and we're going to save all the screws because that's what you do. Now, it shouldn't take too long, surely. Right. Have to get some tools. Okay, back with some more tools. Got a screwdriver. Got some little tools to remove components. Really does not feel like it wants to come off. Since this drive is going to be just literally cannibalised, I can be quite brutal about things. But you know what? It does not want to come apart. I'm pretty sure there's something here. Right, more tools. Where's the Leatherman? Okay, so I've just scraped this bit here, and this is not a screw hole. Damn it. Okay, we're not going to give up. It felt like it was also possibly jammed here. So what is lurking? Oh, there you are, Mr. Western Digital. How dare you? How dare you make a fool of me in front of all these people? Right. Okay. Yes, so that Mr. Screw comes out, and of course it's there. Oh, now look at the platters. Look at it. Do we see? So there's been a head sort of rubbing action here, which is not going to improve the reliability of this drive, which is now, dead as a dodo. That's not quite the right size. So the plan is to make some Christmas coasters, and the plan is going to be to further disassemble everything that I can. If you're interested, I'm sure you all are, the magnets here are very strong, so when you're finished you can use these as the ultimate fridge magnets, for those in the know. Let's keep unscrewing, shall we? That noise in the background is the princess, who is boxing in a box. It doesn't come out. Head assembly. Like I said, ideally what you want to do is get the magnet out, because they are extraordinarily powerful. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, so we've finished the disassembly. What have we learnt? Well, we've learnt that the screw, the hidden screw, is here. And without taking the hidden screw out, obviously the top's not going to come off. There are two different screw sizes on the entire drive. There's a secret package here. We haven't quite finished the disassembly, have we? There's a super secret package. What's in the super secret package? Is it a message from Western Digital? Or is it perhaps something to do with moisture control? Yeah, could be some sound deadening and some holes, but not sure. Well, that's a bit that's going to go in the bin as well. So we're here in the UK in Warwickshire, and normally I would try and put this into the electronics recycling, but Warwickshire County Council has let me down on multiple occasions. So now I might take a photograph and tell them I'm just going to put it in the rubbish bin, having waited 8 weeks last time for them not to come and pick it up, which was extremely irritating. So, with that said, that's rubbish, that's rubbish. We're keeping the magnets. We are throwing that away. That's going in the bin. That's going in the bin. That's that. So, all that's being junked. Electronic card is being junked. Foam is being junked. And we're left with the usable presents, which are the Christmas card coaster. It's great unless you turn it over. And a pair of very strong magnets. That's it, Dory. Thanks for watching. These screws are, of course, going into the screws box, something that every engineer has at their home. Thanks for watching.